What's wrong?
I don't like it. I'm hungry right now.
You said you were hungry.
I'm hungry right now.
So you said you were.
I'm just hungry right now.
You like meatloaf. Yes, you are. Look, Owen's eating his. Gonna eat yours? Oh, I think you are.
Good.
Oh, and you're getting that all over you. We're changing you before you go to bed.
Okay.
Okay. See, Owen's eating. And stop crying. Yeah. You want ketchup? Get your hand down from your face. Pick up your fork. Pick up your fork. Please pick up your fork. Pick up your fork. Dig in. Do you want a spoon for your peas?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, you can use the fork for your noodles and your meatloaf. Yes, you do.
I got my deep game right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that going to help you eat?
Yeah.
Okay, well, eat and then you can play it.
Daddy showed me how to play it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You're changing the subject.
Well,
Pick up your fork and eat your meatloaf and your noodles.
Daddy told me to turn the controller, my black controller.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, just like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I need fork for my beef right here.
You mean a spoon?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start with your meatloaf. Come on, take a bite. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a bite.
Well, I don't like it.
Yes, you do. Please, for me. For me and everyone on the camera watching you. Dude, you're letting them go over there.
Good.
You eat your meatloaf. Owen, sit down.
No.
Please.
No.
Eat your meatloaf. Connor has to eat his, and so do you. Okay.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, sit over there.
Doesn't matter where people sit. Owen, just scoot over a little bit, okay? The other way. Scoot the other way.
Okay.
Okay. Give Connor some space.
Base.
Space. Give him some space. No, not face. Don't poke him in the face. Scoot over and give him some space.
But me.
Don't poke him in the face. No, Owen.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
Yeah.
On your plate?
Yeah.
What's Santa Claus say?
Jingle bell, rock.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock.